Welcome back to Planting Life Matters. I am getting ready to do a bit of lawn maintenance today. It is mid-October and my St. Augustine in the front is still doing really well. I also have Bermuda grass that is in my back garden and I'm going to be cutting it as well. I've been cutting it really high because we had such a drought heated summer and everybody's lawn struggled, but mine came back pretty decent, and so I'm cutting it high just so it keeps that green look. Right now, this late in the season, it won't be long before the lawn starts to go dormant. But before I get started, I am learning how to edge. I'm not great. I do okay cutting the lawn, but not that great edging. So I have a gas edger that my grandson usually does for me, but I bought this Greenworks edger that also came with a blower, and I got it on Amazon. And so a couple of weeks ago the line ran out, so I'm getting ready to change the line, and hopefully that's not too difficult. And then I will start edging first, and then I'll come through and cut the lawn after that. So to pop this off, there are two little side pieces that you have to squeeze simultaneously at the same time when they're inside of this black area here. And it was a little bit difficult for me to squeeze it. That's just because I'm a little weak, but I was able to squeeze it and then it pops right off. Once it pops off, you take out this cylinder that has the trim wire. It's all gone. So I had, when I bought this, it came with a pack of 3 additional ones. I thought this was going to be one where I'd have to insert the string, and because I've had those in like years ago in the past. But this is kind of cool because it comes with 3 extras, and I just pop one out, and so it already has the wire on there. So all I have to do is just pop it in and then put this back on. It can't get any better than that. Hold on. But I think I need to run it through. You see those 2 holes there? Is one on each side. So I need to feed this through that hole on each side first, like that. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I am not doing this because I'm being sponsored by this. This is just something I bought for myself because I am trying to learn how to edge. I was having a really difficult time starting the gas one. It's just hard to do. And so I thought this might be easier. And so far, so good. I hope I'm getting this lined up right. Okay, I think we're good. So now I just need to put this back in. I hope it's as simple as it seems. Wait. That's it. Yay! All right. Fingers crossed. Oh, that was thumbs up. All right, so I'm going to get started edging and speed things up a little bit and come back to you. Okay, 15,000 sneezes. Should have been wearing a mask later. Um, like I said, I'm learning the edge, and it's not great. I had an issue with the string getting stuck in it, and so I went a little lower than I wanted to around the brick edging, and I got it. It just doesn't look great. But the other thing too is it's getting that time of year where the grass is starting to get dormant. This is my disclaimer, my excuse, and it's starting to show, the dead grass or the dormant grass is coming in a little bit more. So it's not as vibrant and green, but it is mid-October, and I am going to put one more layer of Milo on to give it some iron substance, not to fertilize it and make it grow this late in the season. But if you check the instructions on the back of the Milo Malagranite, I should say, package, that one last, they have like this calendar where you put the Milo out on your lawn based on the holidays, and the last one for my area is also in mid-October, 1st to mid-October. So I cut the grass really high because I didn't want to have a lot of white spots. Hey, Nola. Hey, girl. Okay, ignore me. Nola. Nola, what are you looking at? Oh, my neighbor hung some Halloween things in the tree over there. I think that's what it is because it's making noises and stuff too. So she's fixated. But yeah, so I'm okay with how the grass is looking for this late in the season. If you look at some of the other around me, they're struggling with their Bermuda. So right now, the St. Aug seems to last a lot longer through the season. I will say this though, in the spring, when everybody's grass is starting to green up and look really pretty, the St. Aug is a late bloomer. It comes back later than the Bermuda grass that we primarily use here in the Dallas, North Texas area, zone 8. And in fact, if I walk around the side, when I put this St. Aug in, had very little Bermuda left. It was just dying off, wasn't doing well. This lawn is east facing. And so I took this lawn out with the Bermuda and put in, I'm sorry, I was a little fixated on these red mums here for a moment. Oh, that's so pretty. These are really old. They're like 3 years old. So they do much better when I plant them than leave them in pots. So anyway, this is Bermuda. I did not change the grass on the side of my house, only on in the front. It was just too expensive. So I left the Bermuda, but what's happening is the St. Aug, it puts off these shoots and runners. It's just like some people consider it a weed. So it's going to take over eventually, and I'm okay with that. It's starting to, shoot out into the Bermuda and choke the Bermuda out. So I have a bit of a blend. But that's it for right now. Just wanted to cut the lawn and show you my process of doing it. Oh, let me show you some terrible edging I did up front. Part of the issue, like I said too, is I couldn't get the string to come out very well. So this was my edging job, the best I could do. I will learn, I will get better. For right now, I enjoy it and it's free. All right, guys, thank you for watching Planting Life Matters.